Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we have a special treat for all car enthusiasts. We're diving into the review of the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 109, a car that has been generating some serious buzz lately. From its bold exterior design to its powerful performance and luxurious interior, this car has a lot to offer. Let's break it down in detail. First up, the exterior. The 2025 Nova SS 109 sports a sleek, modern design that combines sportiness with sophistication. The front grille is striking, with sharp lines that accentuate the car's aggressive stance. The headlights feature LED technology, giving the Nova a futuristic look, especially at night. Moving to the sides, you'll notice the sculpted body panels that not only improve aerodynamics but also give the car a muscular appearance. The wide stance and low profile contribute to its road presence. The car sits on 20-inch alloy wheels, and you can also opt for custom rims if you want to make a statement. The rear end has a sporty yet elegant design, featuring quad exhaust tips that not only look great but also hint at the performance the Nova is packing under the hood. Now, let's talk about the interior. Stepping inside the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 109 is like entering a cockpit designed for comfort and cutting-edge technology. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing a premium feel, and are designed to offer maximum comfort even on longer drives. The front seats are power adjustable with memory settings, so you'll never have to worry about finding the perfect driving position. The rear seats are spacious, with enough legroom for passengers, making this a car that can comfortably carry more than just the driver and front seat passenger. The dashboard is equipped with a large, high-definition touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with the car's infotainment system. It runs on Chevrolet's latest software, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, ensuring you stay connected while on the road. The center console is sleek and minimalistic, with easy-to-use controls and a few physical buttons for key functions. There's also an advanced climate control system that ensures everyone inside stays comfortable no matter the weather outside. One of the standout features is the sound system, a premium Bose audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound, perfect for enjoying your favorite music or podcasts. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Nova SS 109 is a powerhouse. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and an exhilarating driving experience. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, thanks to its quick acceleration and impressive handling. Speaking of handling, the Nova SS 109 features a performance-tuned suspension that provides a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through tight corners, this car handles like a dream. Chevrolet has also made sure to equip the Nova SS 109 with a range of advanced safety features. You get things like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, making this car as safe as it is fun to drive. The visibility is excellent, and the car's built-in cameras and sensors give you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings when parking or maneuvering through tight spaces. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 109 starts at around $50,000 for the base model. Depending on the trim level and additional options you choose, the price can rise to around $55,000 to $60,000. While that might seem like a significant investment, considering the performance, luxury features, and overall value you get, it's definitely competitive in this class of high-performance sedans. Plus, with Chevrolet's reputation for reliability and their extensive dealer network, you're getting a car that's not only thrilling to drive but also built to last. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 109 worth the price tag? In my opinion, absolutely. It offers an incredible blend of power, comfort, and style, making it a standout in its class. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a car that's built to perform, the Nova SS 109 ticks all the boxes. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 109. Let me know in the comments what you think of this car. Would you pick one up? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Thanks for watching.